If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! This is Simply Shine! Hello! This is my birthday today. I turned 50 today! I'm fabulous! Thank you, everybody! Rosé! Niagara Falls, Rosé. This is my unboxing. Oh yeah, the Rosé. Look at this fancy Rosé. Janine. Rosé.
You gotta say thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.
Thank you, John! Of course, I have to see it. Very, very nice. Very expensive, huh? I know this one. Okay. Sunshine. What? I'm expecting a $50. $50. Get life give us many good reasons to celebrate. Happy 50th. I knew it! See, I told you I'm expecting $50. Tita more. Hi, Shine. Happy 50th birthday. Always shine. From Ate Amor, Kuya Eddie, Aldrin, Caitlin, and baby Kayla. I hope... I can't read this. I hope... It's too small.
Yeah, you can't read it because you're 50.
Oh my God, my God. I hope if years old treats you well. Hopefully, what the hell? Hopefully what? Lots of, I need help. I'll be read What? Oh, even having a
Happy birthday, Janine. I hope 50 years old and well. Hopefully, lots of success and happiness comes your way for many years to come. Have a wonderful birthday.
Ah, very good. There you go. Thank you, Ashley. Ashley, $50. I need this for the parking tomorrow. I wanted to send you a little kiss on your birthday. Who gave this to you? Happy 50th birthday, Mommy-in-law! Oh my God, love you. Always, Abby, the best daughter-in-law. Help me get out there. I'll give you a big, big hug. Oh, this is fun. You're so cute. This is perfect, Abby. Thank you. Let's see about this one. Sealed. Very sealed. Sealed. Wow, fancy. What's this, earring? It's a dress and a purse, right? 50! Oh, I have $100. Perfect for the parking. I have $2. Oh my God, this is long. Happy 50th birthday. God bless and stay sweet. Love your sis. Greetings from Kuya Jay and Ate Helen. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding. Seek His will in all you do, and He will show you which path to take. Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. You know that? Very nice. I earned $100 and Tito June gave me a cake, a cheesecake. Thank you. And Tita Liz for the ubi cake, the best, and the bread, and everything that happens today is fantastic. Love it. This is from Jonah. You're the best. Dearest Ate Day, congratulations on your 50th birthday. And we're lucky to have you as a friend and a big sister. Thank you for always being there for me through personal or work. You are a great person. Stay cheerful and kind. Oh. I hope you have a fabulous 50th birthday. Enjoy your time off. In case you didn't know, you are amazing. I have included a little something from me. Hope you like them. Jonah. Yes, Jonah. So cute. Thank you, Jonah.
Stay here.
It's okay. What she gave me. What is this?
Ooh.
Track your intake. Oh, she wants me to really
Drink
go to the
water.
gym. And drink water. And then
But then
go to
party.
mass. Oh my God! Wine again? She got,
That's the for the turn up, and then the water's for the hangover.
okay. And then what she gave me here? Oh, what she gave me a Pandora. What? Oh my God, she gave me a Pandora, really? Wow, that's so crazy. I didn't expect this one. Thank you. Oh my God. What? Oh my God. What is this? Is this a bracelet? What is this? Oh, she gave me a bracelet. Oh, this is beautiful. Thank you, Jonah. Well,
It's shine.
I know it's shine. It is shine. What? Why should I buy me this? I guess I'm special. Thank you. Okay, so this one, to Tita Ning. So give this to me. Hey, 50-year-old! You should be excited about their birthday. In the dictionary, 50 is surrounded by words like fabulous, festive, and fantastic. Yee-hee! Who did this? Tita Ning. Post-it? What? Post-it? Congratulations! Forgetfulness? Well, anyway, have fun on 50. Lara Kate, Larissa! Larissa! Thank you! Oh, it's the best card. It's so cute. Oh my God. I can feel it now. I can feel the 50. Wow. Yeah. No, oh my goodness. Kinder 50. Kinder surprise. Oh my God. Kinder surprise. Yay! I need this in the washroom late. I was about to call you earlier to change the washroom. We don't have one downstairs. This is a perfect timing. Thank you. Thank you. Feel na feel ko ngayon, ha?
Yan na lamang kakainin natin.
Ang sarap nito, oh.
Hinantay ko rin eh.
Bakit hindi kasi puto agad? Kami ako'y nagpapagawa ng lasis ko eh.
I think it's 4 hours.
Natay, okay lang kaya? May dessert pala tayo, ano? Bilubili ni Kuya. Kuya, tsaga mo ah.
Bilo-bilo.
Si Kuya.
I wanna eat it.
Whenever you're ready.
That's my weakness.
Whenever you're ready. Tama.
Ginatan?
Kaya ano, prepare ko eh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
COVID friendly.
Abby, hi! Ashley! Password? Ayan, oh.
Ma'am, what kind of cake do we have today?
We have strawberry shortcake.
Strawberry shortcake.
This is ube.
Ube.
And this one is cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Yeah. Three cakes. Oh my god, this is the first time I have three cakes. Yan. Here, there. Ano ba? Can somebody...
Sa taas na lang sa likod, sa likod.
You're doing it. Fun.
Yan. Kasi pag iniharap mo, hindi ka makikita talaga.
Ayan, that's even better.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Come, Abby. Abby. Now, keep it going. Just keep it going. It's fine. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Abby, it's everybody can fit it? Everybody can fit it? No.
Video.
Sabi ko sa'yo,
It's okay. Anong si ate nag-50th kasi siya pumunta?
Ayan.
Yan, pala naman eh. Lahat.
Sige.
Yan kita lahat, oh.
Oh.
Halika na, ha?
Ano ka?
Happy birthday.
Bakit ka tahimik? Video to eh. Okay na.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Ano ba to? 50 na? How much is this?
Video na, video na.
Abby, can you take pictures?
Video and picture niya. Kaso baka matabunan ka ng 50.
Ay, hindi ako makita!
Hindi, okay lang yun. Celebrant ka naman eh.
Doon ka sa kabila.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.